Stay tuned to see how I achieve this flawless flexi rod set. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing an unboxing and a tutorial of some products from Lotta. Stay tuned. So I won this box in a giveaway and I'm just getting around to opening it. It comes with a Love Your Style t-shirt, the Hydrate Me Moisturizing Conditioner, comes with a Lotta headband, a Lotta scarf, it also comes with the Fortify Me leave-in conditioner and also the star of the show, the Wrap Me foaming mousse. This box also contains some flexi rods, which I am excited about trying out today. And also a phone ring. I am styling on stretched hair. I use the Fortify Me Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner, and then I went in with the Wrap Me Foaming Mousse to do the flexi rod set. I'm not going to do much talking in this video because it is pretty self-explanatory, so I hope you enjoy it. as you can see, I still have a full section left and I have one flexi rod left. So of course I had to dig into my stash to add some more flexi rods at the top. So I did sit under my hooded dryer for about 45 minutes and I did let the rest air dry for a few hours before taking it down. The worst mistake that you can make is taking down a flexi rod or any roller set or any style for that matter and it not be all the way dry. But can we get into this definition, bounce, and shine? Okay, love, Lotta body. So this mousse definitely gave me moisture, shine, and definition, and a soft hold. Loving these results. And here are my final results. I am loving this flexi rod set. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this flexi rod set and what your go-to products are for flexi rod sets. So again, I used the Wrap Me Foaming Mousse from Lotta Body to do the styling. And I used the blue rods or the blue flexi rods also from Lotta Body. And to blow out my hair, I used the Fortify Me Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.